popular body style trucks right here. 1986 Chevrolet K10 Silverado. As you can see, regular cab, short box, and this one is a good looking truck. Best of all, underneath the hood, freshly rebuilt 350 V8 engine underneath there. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I do believe the AC will need to be charged. Components all there did not have the clutch engage or disengage, so that will need to be charged, FYI. Take a look at the grille, bumper, headlight, surrounds. Beautiful shape on this truck. There is a can of touch-up paint, FYI, being the glove box sealed up. And you can see there's a few little spots on the hood. Previous owner maybe touched it up a little bit. Again, you can see how nice that paint shows. There's a few little blemishes just on the hood I want to point out, but overall, nice looking truck. One of those get in and drive it, have some fun with it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We have Goodrich radial TAs. See the correct wheels this would have came with back in 1986. Also has new dual exhaust on it. You'll be able to check out in the underside pics. Look at this dash. There's also a circuit board installed in the gauge cluster, so that is also new. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nicely done spray and bed liner. Check out the rear chrome and bright work. Once again, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. That phone number 507-386-1726. So it's also a southern truck, so you do not see a lot of the body work, bubbles, rusting like you will on the northern vehicles. And again, check out the still pictures. Check out the underside all around it. And remember, rebuilt just recently. 350, of course, power windows, power locks, a Silverado package, nicely loaded pickups. Let's go ahead and start this up. See how easily it starts. Radio is working order. They do have an aftermarket oil pressure gauge underneath the dash, because I noticed the one in the gauge cluster is not working. Other than that, looks like the rest of the gauges are working with the exception of the clock. Blower fan and everything works, heat. Just need to charge that AC. And then take a look at this dash. How many dashes in an 86 Chevy do you see that are like that? Good condition. Cloth or vinyl bed seat, which you can also see some nice condition, free of rips, tears, holes. Sliding rear window, and lastly, headliner in nice shape. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8. Nothing crazy or obnoxious, but good sounding truck. So it'll definitely turn some heads. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. I want to show you the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
First of all, take a peek at the hood liner. Looking good. So headers, again, power steering, power brakes, AC, new exhaust, nice, tidy, good-looking stock engine bay. There you go, 1986 Chevrolet Silverado K10, nice looking 4x4 regular cab short box. give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.